Asia Investment Conference Series, launched in 2016, has grown from this initial event hosted in 2 locations, Hong Kong and Singapore, for 230 attendees, to a large-scale event series hosted across 3 countries in 3 days, forming the highlight of our engagement activities across Asia, where around 1,000 members of our community meet and hear from thought leaders on topics that will drive the investment industry moving forward, something that is incredibly important for the financial well-being of our clients, their families, their businesses, and their future generations. It has given me great delight in hearing clients tell me, "I was expecting a dry and boring conference, but this, it is not. It was informative, gave great insights into how SJP operates, which gave me great confidence. Impressive ethical dimension to SJP's operations. The topics of discussion were absolutely on the mark. I was delighted by the caliber of speakers and pleasantly surprised by the number of professional investors in the audience. I wasn't expecting that, but it made for an intelligent evening that gave me much food for thought." In early 2020, we set out to plan another series of events that delivers a first-class experience and changes an attendee's perception of what an investment conference could be. But shortly after setting out to deliver these events and assembling a market-leading group of speakers, the world, of course, changed, and we were faced with the uncertainty of what to do with these physical events, a staple of our engagement calendar for the last 5 years. And so we took a step back and reminded ourselves of why we deliver these, thinking back to the positive comments from our community to provide forward-thinking content, thought-provoking content. So we decided to create the St James's Place Asia Virtual Client Conference, an event hosted on Wednesday the 28th of October that will pull together a diverse range of speakers from across the globe to provide our community with these invaluable insights still. The future is indeed now. As life expectancy continues to increase, there are more individuals living past their 100th birthday. But what does like this longevity mean for you? On the flip side, as the Earth's temperature rises, we're facing major climate change, which will impact our later years and those of our generations to come. But indeed, all is not lost. With technological advancement, the right mindset and continued education, we have the power to change the world through investments and build a positive world worth living in. Join us on Wednesday the 28th of October as a distinguished panel share their insights on forward-thinking and dynamic topics, such as using money as a force for good to ensure a sustainable future and a world worth living in, the 100-year life and its implications for sustainable financial planning, technological megatrends and how they impact the future investment landscape, the role of big data and advanced analytics in understanding client needs in a changing world. This leading panel includes Robert Gardner, Investment Director and Executive Board Member of St James's Place, Hamish Douglas, Chairman and CIO of Magellan Financial Group, Michelle Sun, Founder of the First Code Academy, BBC 100 Influential Women, supported by Emma Smith, Founder and CEO of Sandpiper Communications, and Chris Ralph, Chief Global Strategist of St James's Place. So join this panel on Wednesday, 28th of October, to learn more about how we can use money as a force for good. If you are not yet registered, please visit www.sjpacc.com. We will look forward to seeing you at this virtual conference very soon.